with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Well done! Super duper! Thanks for helping out! Great! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Well done! Super cool! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe right! Good job! Again! Time to pick a new toy. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... The rolling bridge is just there. This is your toy collection. Here you can see all the Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Choose a new toy!